it is your girl Mina, and I am back with another YouTube video. It's been a long time, but we are back. Back and back. And today we are going to be decluttering, reorganizing, building new stuff, and fixing up this area over here to make it look nicer. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not, toodaloos. But yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for more improvement videos. Okay, first things first, I need to turn on a fan. I am sweating. I'm currently in Los Angeles. It's so hot. Do you see this face? Let's do it. Next thing, I'm gonna open the packages and call in for help, AKA my boyfriend. I got my boyfriend. Come say hi.
Hi, it's me.
This is my boyfriend.
My shoes are still on. Hey.
It's Carl. Pricklies. Technical difficulties, gotta get shoes. Oh, that's a dead fly. I have random stuff in this box. It was just stuff that was sitting out, and so I'm putting everything in the boxes so that we don't see it and it doesn't look crazy over there like it did before. But our cleaning supplies, random stuff my dad uses when he's here, Carl's stuff, just more random stuff, gloves, and yeah.
can be rebuilt stronger, faster. Oh, put your knee in there.
Thank you guys for tuning in today. We did it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and give us a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below and we will see you next time.